Hi viewers, welcome back. Today we'll start another subtopic in time and distance, and we straight away try to solve a problem. A man goes to his office by scooter at a speed of 30 km per hour and reaches 6 minutes earlier. If he goes at a speed of 24 kmph, he reaches 5 minutes late. The distance of his office is, okay. So here there are two cases. In one case he is reaching earlier, and in the second case he is reaching late. Okay, so there are two cases. In one case he is reaching early, and in another case he is reaching late. Okay, so these two words, one is early and the other is late. Okay, these two are very important and you should be very aware while solving these kind of problems. Okay, so in these kind of problems there will be usually two cases all the time. Okay, so if at all in two cases it is early, okay, this will be type 1. Okay, and if in the two cases it is late, that is type 2. And in one case it is early and in another case it is late. Okay, so as in this problem, okay, so that will be type 3. So in one case it will be late and in another case it is early, or vice versa. Okay, so in this case one it is late, right? This can be early and this can be late, or this can be early, that can be late. Okay, so in one it is late and in another it is early. Okay, like that it should be. So like that there are three types of problems that are expected. Okay, so this particular problem belongs to type 3. Okay, so let me explain how to solve this. Okay, so as per the question, if he travels, okay, so we'll take this, right? So let us assume his office timing is 10 a.m. Okay, so what is happening in case 1? In case 1 he is traveling with the speed of 30 kmph and he is reaching 6 minutes early, right? 6 minutes early. Okay, so if the timing is 10 a.m, if he is reaching 6 minutes early, what will be the point of time at which he is reaching his office? That will be 9:54 a.m, right? 9:54 a.m. And in the second case, he is traveling with a speed of 24 kmph and he is reaching at what time? He is reaching 5 minutes late, right? 5 minutes late to 10 a.m. That will be 10:05 a.m, right? And what is the difference between these 2 points of time? One is 10:05. It means that it is 5 minutes more to 10 a.m. Okay, and it is 6 minutes less. Okay, what is the difference? That is 11 minutes, right? So instead of assuming some office timing and calculating this and that and finding the difference, instead of all this, okay, it's better to directly add them. Okay, so in one case it is 6 minutes and in another case it is 5 minutes, right? You just add them. 6 plus 5, that is 11 minutes. Okay, so like that for all these three types, what you do is, if both are early, then you have to subtract. If both are late, you have to subtract. If one is late and one is early, you have to add them. Okay, so what you need to add? The times: late by 6 minutes, late by half an hour, late by 15 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes early, 20 minutes early, like that. Okay, at what time he is getting late? Okay, he is going early. That times you have to subtract here in this type 1 and type 2. If one is late, one is early, you just have to add them to get the difference in times. Okay, that is T1 minus T2 or T2 minus T1. Okay, so if you know the difference in times, then only you can write an expression with which you can solve this problem. Okay, so let me first explain how to solve this in a conventional way, in a normal way. After that I will explain how to do this using a shortcut method, using a simple formula. Okay, let us solve this problem using the normal method. Okay, so here, as per our assumption, if the office timing is 10 a.m., in case 1 he is reaching it at 9:54 a.m. and in the case 2 he is reaching his office at 10:05 a.m. right? So this will be case 1 and this is case 2. Okay, so ultimately we have to find the difference between the times. Okay, so that is 11 minutes here. Okay, so let this be T1 and let this be T2. Okay, so what is the difference in time? That is, T2 minus T1, that is equals to 11 minutes. Okay, that is equals to what? Okay, so you have to write this T2 and T1 in terms of D and V. Okay, so as the distance is constant here, the D1 D2 is D only. Okay, so as per our formula, that is speed is equals to distance by time. Okay, how you write the time? Time is equals to D by V, right? So you have to write that in this form. Okay, so D by V2 minus D by V1. Okay, so as D is constant, you can take it as common. So what is V2? V2 is a velocity that corresponds to T2. T2 is what? 10:05, right? 10:05 velocity is what? He is getting late, right? So that is 24. 1 by 24 minus this will be 1 by 30. Okay, so if you take the LCM, that will be 120, right? So 1 by 24 into 120, that is 5. So D into 5 minus this will be 4 by 120. Okay, so this equals to what? So this equals to the difference in time, that is 11 minutes. Okay, so here it is, this velocities are in kilometer per hour and it is in minutes. So you can change these minutes into hour. Okay, so that will be 11 by 60 hour. Okay, so now if you cancel this 60, 2s are 120 and 5 minus 4 is 1. So D by 2 is equals to 11 and therefore D is equals to 22 what? 22 what? Meters or kilometers? Kilometers, right? As the velocity is in kilometer per hour and time in hours, whatever the distance that you get here, that will be in 22 kilometers. Okay, so this is how you have to solve this. This is a regular way of solving this. Whatever the times that are given, you just have to write that in this form. Okay, the difference in times is equals to, okay, you have to write those times in terms of D and V. Okay, if you solve this, you will get the answer. Okay, so let me explain you a shortcut method using a formula. Okay, so straight away on substitution you will get the answer. Okay, let us see that. So here in this shortcut method, we have a direct formula for distance. Okay, that is D is equals to delta T into V1 into V2 by V1 minus V2. Okay, so this is the formula that we have to use to solve this very simply and within a less time. Okay, so here delta T is nothing but the difference in times. Okay, if one is early and one is late, then we have to add them. Okay, if both are early, we have to subtract them. You have to find the difference. Okay, if both are late, then also you have to find the difference. And here in this case, one is early and one is late. That is why we are adding here. Okay, so delta T is what? So 5 minutes plus 6 minutes, that is 11 minutes. And further you have to convert that into hours, right? So that will be 11 by 60, right? 11 minutes into hours, 11 by 60 into what is V1? So one is 30 km per hour and one is 24 km per hour divided by V1 minus V2. Okay, so it is nothing but, here you need not consider the signs minus or plus, that is you need not consider, but you just have to write the difference here, the difference between the two velocities. Okay, one is 30, one is 24, right? So what is the difference? That is 6. Okay, so that will be 6. okay, and if you solve this 11 into 30 into 24 by 60 into 6, so this will be, so 31s 32s are, and this will be 12 and this will be 2, so this will be 22 kilometers will be the distance. Okay, so this is how you have to solve this. Okay, the direct substitution. Okay, so but you have to make sure what is delta t, you have to do that accurately. Okay, if both are early, you have to find the difference. If both are late, you have to find the difference, and if one is late, one is early, you have to add them. Okay, so whatever is given, like 6 minutes early, 5 minutes late, okay, something like, okay, you have to add them both if one is early, one is late. Okay, okay, so if you do it accurately, you can easily get the answer. Okay, so this is how you have to solve this.